Okay, so let's start off by breaking it into a fraction with radicals, separate radicals top and bottom. On the top we have the cube root of 3, and on the bottom we have the cube root of 4y squared. Now let's talk about what we have here. This 4 is 2 times 2. We don't have a set of 3. We're going to need a third 2 to make a perfect cube. And this y squared is y times y. Again, not a perfect cube. We're going to need a third y to make it a perfect cube. So we are going to multiply this fraction top and bottom by the cube root of, let's see, we need a 2. So there's our other 2, and we need another y. So we're going to multiply it top and bottom by the cube root of 2y. When we do that, we now have on the top the cube root of 6y, and on the bottom, here's the interesting part, we now have the cube root of, and I'm going to write it in factored form, 2 times 2 times 2, and then times y cubed. Okay, so let's bring the page down here and simplify that. On the bottom here, let's change colors. We have a set of 3 right there. So that becomes, well, here, let me rewrite the top. So on top we have the cube root of 6y. And on the bottom we now have, well, gee, the cube root of 2 times 2 times 2 is just 2. And the cube root of y cubed is y.